countdown. This is where the hell you get the rock star. Yes, please. Holy crap. Poor guy got shot out misery. Steve, I'll be right back. I'll be right. No, I didn't. You can't accuse me of something I didn't do, bro. What the hell is this? I'm just kidding. You wanna hear what Steve
光线
always
充足，
says?
距离其他客人非常近，但都是高净值的个体，有氧运动，一切都能让你在这里生活的同时保持健康，就像一个小城市。哦，有台球桌、游戏、大屏幕。这里我们有传统风格的浴缸，还有，不要，快走，快走！啊！
What happened to grandma, mom? Mom, what happened to grandma? Is she hallucinating? Yeah. Whose room is this, bro? That her mom's because they want to sleep here. Yeah. Don't like that reason, but someone died in the hall. That kid. Steve, the end is near, Ben. Yeah. I'm opening. You're gonna get shot in the head. Yeah, I opened it. Shout out to Sons. Not shout out to the YouTuber with ugly mouth. What are the things that about? Oh my God, we're in hell. We're in hell. That does not scare me, bro. Oh, you wanna attack me, motherfucker? Mom, that's a demon. Okay. I'm gonna shoot its little spine. Ah, man. That hurt my stomach because he's already dead. Because I demonetized him. Steve, where's my cross? I want to burn these kids. Yep. Mom, you want to know what you can do with a cross in this game? You can burn demons. I'm gonna jump in the lava, guys. If you jump in the lava, nothing will happen to you. No. I can't see none. No. Steve, can anybody get a cross? I'm just gonna shoot that cross. Come on, Steve, down the pit of hell. Oh, this is a gigantic pit of hell. What are you saying, Grandma? What are you saying, Granny? Where's Cyrus? Yeah, there's a skeletos. Look nice. That's fine. I love hitting innocent skeleton. Oh, I'm just kidding. They're not innocent. Those people who murdered. Okay. I want to shoot